In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record income in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to make sure your deposit lines up with your bank records. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the top left, click the New button. This opens a menu of common tasks. Choose Bank Deposit. Think of the bank deposit screen as the place where you tell QuickBooks which bank account is receiving the money and what that money is for, so your books stay clean and accurate. At the top of the form, select the account where the deposit will land, such as your checking account, and set the deposit date. The account should match the real-life bank account receiving the funds, and the date should match the day the money actually hits the bank. Getting these two details right makes reconciling much easier later. Next, in the Received From field, choose who the money came from. If it's tied to a specific customer or payer, select them to keep your reports and customer histories accurate. If it isn't tied to anyone in particular, you can leave this blank, but adding a payer helps with tracking. Now, choose the category for the income. This should be the income account that best describes the money you earned, such as product sales, service income, or another revenue account from your chart of accounts. Picking the correct category ensures your profit and loss report reflects the right type of revenue. If you're unsure, choose the category you use most consistently for similar deposits. You can add a short description to provide context, like an event name, invoice reference, or any detail that will help you remember what this deposit was for in the future. Clear descriptions are helpful during review or tax time. Select the payment method such as cash, check, or credit card, and then enter the amount. Double-check that the amount matches exactly what your bank will receive. Accuracy here keeps your books aligned with your bank feed and prevents duplicates or mismatches. Once you've reviewed the account, date, received from details, category, description, payment method, and amount, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the deposit to the selected account, and you'll see it reflected in your register and on your financial reports. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can confidently record income in QuickBooks Online, keep your records organized, and make month-end reconciliation smoother. Thanks for watching, and keep your entries consistent for the best results.